Okay, today we're robbing some pieces out of my LS1 harness from the GTO that I got the drivetrain out of for my C3 LS1 swap. I need one of these pins in order to operate the electronic fan. What I'm going to do is tap into port 32 on the ECU and use that to initiate the fans, because I think I've had problems with my Dakota Digital fan controller. I bought that initially because it was compatible with the gauges, but now that stopped working. So now we have HP tuners in house. I'm just gonna initiate the fan controls, which is basically a ground signal from the ECU, and bypass the Dakota Digital. So what I did was I took apart I'm taking apart this harness, and there's a couple pieces. There's a gray plastic covering here. There's a way to pop it off easily, but since I'm just hacking apart this harness, I just broke it. And then on the front, there's this green cover, which there's releases on the side you can just push in with one of these kind of tools, and it just kind of pops off like that, and then boom, and then you can push pins forward through this end, so they'll go in back the wire first through the slot. So I'm doing, and of course they're all numbered here, and you can find the pinouts on LT1 Swap or any of the other, I'm sure Sloppy's got stuff, it's in the books and everything. So I'm just gonna rob this wire and stick it through the connector there, and then just set it up for the high and low speed fan. So that's it.